did let me get complete free reign on their website to pick out whatever jewelry I wanted, which was really amazing because they have some of the most versatile pieces ever. Most of their stuff are strictly piercings. I really respect that because they did them so freaking well. They have every single piercing you can think of. I went for everything ear, but they also have dermal, they have facial, they have tongue, they have navel, and they offer them in so many different sizes, designs, and materials. I'm kind of emphasizing on that because I got some from their lower price range collections and also some from their higher end collection, like their 14 karat golds. Based on your budget, then you can decide which one would be good for you. Me being me, I went for everything diamond inspired, so let's try them on. I want to actually start with this one in here. So cute. I have two of these, so I'm thinking these could be our statement pieces. So these ones are the 14 karat gold ones. These are going to be the more expensive ones, but man, oh man, do they feel incredible. I have this diamond that I think could look really cute. I think I want this here. This packaging tripped me out so much. I love it. I want both sides to be kind of a reflection of each other, but in their own special way. In this case, you can see that all of the studs have a ball closure. That makes it very soft when sleeping on it. I think it's looking so cute. Oh no, that is gorgeous. That's going there. My ear look expensive. And the final stud. I love them, I love them, I love them! Every single one of these does feel absolutely incredible. It's just that the metal that it is made of is different, contributing to the change in price. I'm going to be linking this exact selection down the description box below in the event that you also have 13 ear piercings and you want to replicate every single one that I put on. However, they do have a massive collection, so check them out. You can use my code Stella35 for 35% off of the entire website. So build your collection however you want it and then apply this at checkout. I am going to be linking them down below.